Hello everyone, happy almost Valentine's Day. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the February 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So if you're interested to see what I got in both of those subscriptions this month, then just keep on watching. I really don't know what my hair is doing, but I just got a haircut and it's a little bit shorter in places, so it's like going crazy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a subscriber, it's lovely to see you today. And if you're new, hello, my name is Jessica of the blog Miss More Style, and here on YouTube I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. And I do these monthly Ipsy unboxings because Ipsy is so kind as to send me the influencer subscription, I guess, of this. So thank you so much, Ipsy. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into unboxing this. I thought I'd try something different and sort of try on some of the products before doing the unboxing so I can show you them already applied. Of course, as per usual, Ipsy does not include any information for me about the price of these products, any further in-depth literature on maybe the benefits or the uses of these, so we're just gonna wing it. Starting with the Ipsy Glam Bag. If you are not familiar with Ipsy at all, the Glam Bag is a $12 a month subscription and you get 5 sample size products in there. And if you're a regular Ipsy subscriber, then you do get to choose certain things in this and in the Glam Bag, but because I'm an influencer, they just kind of send us stuff, so that is one downside of that. This is the Glam Bag this month, and I just have to tell you, I normally wouldn't dwell this long on the bag itself, but this might be my favorite Glam Bag ever. It is so adorable. It looks like a little Valentine that you'd mail in the mail, and then the back has this little snap closure with these gold lips, which honestly, it really kind of reminds me of Diane von Furstenberg's like label that she has on her handbags. I don't know, something about this just feels very like expensive and kind of nice. Like, I'm definitely going to keep this bag. By the way, comment below and let me know what you guys use your Ipsy Glam Bags for. I'm really curious. I like to use mine when I travel. Like, I'll put my earrings in one, my rings in another one, and I like separate out my jewelry like that. So yeah, let me know what you guys use yours for, if you find a purpose for them or not. The first thing I'm pulling out is something from a brand called Item, and it is called Lash Snack, which I think is really appropriate because it comes in this like Ziploc-y kind of packaging. I'm a sucker for fun packaging. Did not try this out, although I should have, but I do want to know I did try the mascara from the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara from last month, and I love that stuff so much. Anyway, back to February. So this is the mascara. Let's just open it up and see how the wand is. Oh. So that is a very teeny tiny wand. I don't know how I feel about this because typically I don't like wands like this. So we'll see. Really give my eyelashes that thick, juicy look that I like. So we shall see about that. Next in here is this little palette, Love You First. And it's a really cute little tiny palette. Perfect eyeshadow duo. And this is in the rose gold and ivory duo. I love that it has a nice little mirror in there, and here are the 2 shades. This is kind of like a really pretty, that's supposed to be rose gold, although I guess it is kind of rose gold. I would say it's more like copper, and then it has this really nice rich brown matte shade. I have to say, when I applied this, let me just go ahead and show you my eyes so you can see what it looks like on. I really love the way that it looks. I think the shimmer shade has a really nice payoff and a really nice like sort of creamy formula, and then the matte brown shade is so good because you can just put like a light wash of it and it looks great as a transition color. But then if you want to see, I actually concentrated it more in the outer corners of my eyes and darkened it up a bit. So I really love it because that color looks kind of dark and it could easily just be like really harsh, but if you have a light hand with it, you can really make a full eye look with just these 2 if you just figure out how to use this to different degrees and get that more dimensional like look, if you get what I'm saying. This would make a really great travel palette. It's obviously like a really pretty duo and it looks so great on. I'm really happy with this. Next thing in here is also something that I'm already wearing. It is my lip color, and this is a little baby lippy from Bite Beauty in the color Strawberry Frosé. Oh, it's making me yearn for summertime and drinking frosé. You can see the color is super pink, really hot pink. It goes on really nicely. I feel like it dries pretty fast, and it's got definitely like a sheerness to it. It doesn't go on like a heavy lipstick. I wonder if it is a lipstick or not. Oh, it's called the Outburst Long Wear Lip Stain. So this is meant to be a lip stain. It does transfer, so just keep that in mind. But I do like Bite Beauty. This is super cute, and this would be perfect for in a purse. And I love the color, especially for Valentine's Day, hot pink. But in general, I love wearing hot pinks. And this is just a really pretty, like, blue tinted sort of pink, and it is Clean It Zero Tri-Peel Acid Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. It's just a little small sample size, obviously. And this is from the brand Vanilla Co., I guess. And it is a cleansing balm to help with your pores. Yeah, so it is a very balmy texture. Usually you use cleansing balms, at least I do like a double cleanse. So I'll use a cleansing balm first and sort of like massage that into my skin when I have makeup on, and then once I've massaged a little bit, get a little bit of water on my hands and keep massaging to sort of create an emulsification, if that makes sense. Is emulsification a word? Anyway, and I clean that off, and then I follow that up with my regular cleanser. That way I make sure that the cleansing balm really helps to melt down all the makeup and the dirt off of your face. So this is actually a great little thing to have in my travel bag for someday when I travel again, because I never have like a travel size cleansing balm to take with me when I go places, and then I end up buying makeup remover wipes, which we know is not the greatest thing ever. So that is awesome. The last thing in here is from Glamglow, and it is called Bright Eyes. It is an illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream. I have so many eye creams right now. I just love to like smell things, but this is like got a lot of thickness to it. Like this is not a very like thin eye cream, and I'm just putting it on my hand. It feels really nice, actually. I had a pretty negative experience with Glamglow's mud mask a couple months back, but that could have been because the mud mask expired, so I'm not going to completely write them off, but I definitely want to try this out because I always have a really bad time with dark under eyes. The curses of being really pale, I think, because your skin is really thin right there, and so when you have translucent vampire skin like I do, it's just what happens. Next, moving on to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which this is a little like a step up above the Glam Bag. I believe it's $25 a month. You get a bigger pouch style bag like this. So this is February's one. It's super cute. And in the Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 products that are like full size products. So that is something to love. First thing that I have to say that I'm going to pull out is this. We got an It Cosmetics brush, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love It Cosmetics so much. I have a couple of their brushes, and let me tell you, they're not cheap. So this is probably valued at like somewhere around $40 to $50. So that is amazing. Their Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush, number 707. It says it's a groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused brush hair. I've never heard of such a thing in my life. The brush head hugs the contours of your face for an even application and flawless finish of your favorite It Cosmetic liquid and cream foundations and color infused skincare products. Revolutionary It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Brush Hair is infused with anti-aging collagen, silk, peptides, niacin, and antioxidants. Improves the look of skin and optically blurs the appearance of lines, pores, and imperfections, which your girl is 32. She needs that. Wow, I mean, this brush, like, just the handle feels so nice. It has like a nice weight to it. And oh wow, that's so soft. I wonder if the collagen and the peptides and the antioxidants that this brush is infused with, I wonder if that goes away over time. Like, surely it must, right? Interesting brush. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I do have some of their Tinted Moisturizer CC cream, so I'm gonna use this tomorrow and see how it goes. So be on Instagram, because usually on my Instagram stories is where I like try these things out in real time and let you all know. Moving right along, we have Goldfaden MD, which I love this brand. I've actually worked with them before in the past. I've never heard of before. It says their Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. So it says up here that if your problem is uneven skin tone, then this is the thing for you, which is definitely a problem I have. I have really blotchy, uneven skin tone sometimes, so I'm super interested to try this. Vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. And it is a multifaceted hydrating moisturizer that delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. I definitely need help in evening my skin tone. If I could just have even skin tone, I feel like I would wear foundation so little, because that's like the main reason why I put on foundation and concealer, is to just even my skin tone out. Again, follow me on Instagram to get my real-time thoughts on these products as I try them out in my life. Next up, we have a product from Tokyo Milk Light. This is Shea Butter Hand Cream, Oolong Tea, Bamboo Reed, Orchid, and Air White Musk. Very beautiful packaging. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good, and it feels amazing. I can never have too much hand cream, especially in the winter time, because holy crap, my hands get so dry. it leaves your skin feeling so smooth. I've never tried anything by Tokyo Milk before, but I'm loving it. The last thing in the Ipsy Glam Bag is something that I am obsessed with, and it is the Maille. I'm not really sure how you pronounce this brand, but this is their Sun-Kissed Blush palette, and just wait till you see how beautiful this palette is. Look at that. Have you ever seen a blush palette so beautiful? I almost don't even want to use this because it's just so pretty. And it's just got the prettiest like shimmer in it. Like, I don't know if the camera is really picking it up, but holy wow, that is just stunning. I used this today and I have it on, and I have to tell you, you have to go light-handed on this because I went in for it and I looked like a porcelain doll in a bad way. It's blended out quite a bit, but I do have to say it has a really beautiful like golden, let me turn this down, like golden shimmeriness to it. Obviously I am wearing highlighter right here, but like all of this, you can see it's just really beautiful. I think this is going to be so stunning in the summer. I don't love blushes with shimmer in the wintertime, but in the summer I definitely do because I'm going for that glowy, dewy, summery look. So, oh, so beautiful. I lied because I just said that that was the last thing, and it's not the last thing. It is the most interesting thing in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and that is the matte fluid eye paint from About Face, which is a brand I've never heard of before. And just wait till you see this packaging. It is so freaking different and cool. Now, I have to say, I'm kind of wishing that this was a liquid lipstick, not an eye paint, because the color is definitely something I'd wear on my lips. I'm not sure if you could or if you should. It's interesting, and I'm down to try this. Now, I've watched a couple Ipsy unboxings, and some of the people did not know what the heck to do with this, and they were like freaked out by it, but I am familiar with liquid eye paints. I've had some from Armani Beauty before, but in like more neutral colors, so I just want to show you guys really quick. I'm not going to put it on my face because I've already got my full face on, but I'm going to show you on my hand. So with an eye paint, you're not going to like just like swipe it over. At least that's not how I do it. What I do, I'm just going to show you here. Let's say this was like my eye, right? I'm going to put some right there. It's not dry, right? It's still got some liquid to it. Basically put a dot kind of where I wanted it to be, and then I take a brush and just kind of, there we go. And you can buff it out and buff it out. And then that's more what you're left with. Now, I think this brush has a good amount of brown that was already on it, so that's why it's kind of coming out brown. You can see that now it is no longer like dripping wet, which some people were like, oh my God, it's still wet. This would be a crazy mess. But that's not really what you're supposed to do with the liquid eye paint. So you just put a little bit on, you take your brush, and you just kind of like buff it out. I know it seems intimidating and weird, but it really isn't. It's, if you get used to it, they're actually really cool, and I really like liquid eyeshadows, although I don't have a ton. And this is a kind of an odd color to wear on my eyes, but I definitely want to try it. So, last thing is Refreshments. This is a new thing they started doing. It's kind of an additional Ipsy membership that you can just add on to either your Glam Bag or your Glam Bag Plus. And what Refreshments are kind of like how I like to describe it, are like sort of everyday beauty essentials that everybody kind of wants and needs. And Ipsy has created a line of products. So let's say 1 month you need some hand lotion, or 1 month you need some body wash, or things like that. You can add that to your Ipsy order and they will send it to you. Obviously the shipping is free because it's coming with all your other stuff. But then they also send you some new products. So they've been sending new stuff every month because it's new and they're still kind of rolling out everything. So this month they sent these really fun holographic stickers and pillowy shave creams. Packaging for Refreshments is really, really fun. And sent a Luxe 5-blade razor kit, which y'all know. Y'all are ladies, you know, these razors, they are not cheap. This packaging, I couldn't figure it out for a second, but it's like a VCR or a VHS tape type situation. So it's like, you know, those paper cardboard covers they used to have for the VHS tapes. If you're Gen Z, you probably don't know what VHS is, but comes with 2 razors and then the little like suction thing that you can put onto your shower wall to hold your razor. Wow, this is really fun. So it's got this nice like grippy like plastic part. It's got a really nice weight to it. Like it doesn't feel like a cheapy razor. Really nice. It's like a 5-blade razor. Well, that was quite an unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you got something different in your Ipsy Glam Bag, I would love to know. Comment below and let me know if you got the same things as me, if you got different colors, different products. I would love to talk to you all about it down in the comments. While you're here, you might really enjoy these videos. They are super fun. Go ahead and check those out before you go. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.